Colombo Academy of Hospitality Management, CAHM, Sri Lanka's largest private hospitality, tourism and events education provider, marks its 14th graduation ceremony this year. And in testament of the global standards of excellence upheld in affiliation with the William Angliss Institute Australia, this year's graduation ceremony also features a special recognition of Rumira Piyasiri, who became the bronze medalist at the Young Chef Olympiad 2026. So do stay tuned as Pulse is here at the Shangri-La Hotel Colombo to bring you exclusive event highlights and of course more details on the partnership between William Angliss Institute Australia and CAHM. I'm Aloka and you're living it with Pulse. How do you think this collaboration with CAHM and William Angliss Institute Australia create global opportunities for students here in Sri Lanka while also shaping the global hospitality industry?
It's great to be here in Colombo again for graduation. Students who attend the CAHM Academy or programs with William Angliss Institute are highly skilled and high quality young people who have the opportunity to go on to a career in what is an amazing industry and an industry that's always going to need people and highly skilled people.
So hi to both of you, and we would love to know your thoughts. First of all, on today's graduation ceremony, how did you think it went? And what sort of opportunities do you think these graduates today will be having in the hospitality industry in the future?
We are so proud of all the graduates today. It was an amazing ceremony. Everyone was super proud. You could see the excitement in their faces. Really well organized, super job from the team as well. And amazing opportunities for everyone, I think. The hospitality industry is so vast. And for our sector, the casino sector, is something new. I think the integrated resort concept here in Sri Lanka.
How are you feeling today holding this award, sharing it with your colleague, and tell us what your future plans are and how did CAHM empower you to get here today?
CAHM have made a huge impact in my career and in terms of personal growth. And I started right after A-levels, and throughout my journey in CAHM, even the internship was an opportunity given by CAHM itself. So I worked at Hilton Colombo. Both of us did work at Hilton Colombo.
As Sanati said, we both worked at Hilton Colombo for 6 months as kitchen trainees, and now we are both working at Hiku Patisserie. I'm working as a barista, she's working as a commissary chef, and we couldn't have done it without each other, and we couldn't have done it without CAHM. So we are very grateful for it.